Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Camel Medium 1. This versatile acrylic painting medium is a fantastic tool for artists looking to elevate their work. It's designed to enhance the vibrancy and flexibility of your acrylic colors, while also providing a beautiful glossy finish. We'll explore how to properly mix and apply this medium to achieve stunning effects, ensuring your artwork truly stands out. To begin, squeeze your acrylic paint onto a palette. Then, add a small amount of Camel Medium 1, perhaps a few drops to start. This medium is excellent for diluting your acrylic colors, allowing you to create transparent, watercolor-like effects without compromising color intensity. Mix thoroughly and gradually add more medium until you reach your desired consistency, ensuring smooth application and vibrant results. Camel Medium 1 is perfect for creating stunning glazes and adding depth to your acrylic artwork. Apply it in thin layers to build up your colors, achieving smooth transitions and a beautiful, consistent, glossy finish. This layering technique enhances the luminosity of your paints. Remember, thin applications are key for proper drying and to prevent any tackiness, ensuring a professional look for your finished piece. For best results, allow your acrylic paintings to dry in a clean, dust-free area to maintain that beautiful glossy finish. When you're finished painting, promptly clean your brushes with soap and water to prevent the acrylics and medium from drying in the bristles, which can damage them. Always keep your bottle of Camel Medium 1 tightly capped and stored in a cool, dark place to preserve its quality for future artistic endeavors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.